Oh, Nanny's Broody. Catherine's Broody. Diane's Broody. Tammy's Broody. And Tam is Broody. I'm sorry, y'all gonna have to get y'all's fat honeys up out of here today. Because we got to clean this barn. Y'all have poo nastied everywhere in a week's time. And you know Mommy can't stand that. Don't fuss at me. Don't fuss at me. Nanny. Don't fuss at the mama. Got some good eggs there though. Look at you. Tammy. Are you going to be mad and snap at mama? Woo. Okay. You're going to be ugly. I just pat you on the head. Okay. Woo, good Lord. Everybody's crazy.